Think about a time when you planned to get something important done. Maybe it was exercising, starting a project, or learning a new skill. But instead of diving in, you found yourself scrolling through your phone, watching videos, or snacking on something unhealthy. You felt stuck, and at the end of the day, you were frustrated with yourself. The truth is, it's not entirely your fault. Your brain has two motivation systems, and they're constantly competing for control. Let me explain how they work. The first system is the fast motivation system, designed for instant gratification. It's what drives you to check your phone, grab a quick snack, or buy something shiny you don't need. While it's great for quick decisions, it often distracts you from meaningful goals. The second system is the slow motivation system, which focuses on long-term rewards. This is what pushes you to stick with challenging tasks, like working out, saving money, or mastering a skill. But this system requires effort and patience, making it harder to activate in today's world of constant distractions. Both systems rely on a chemical called dopamine. Think of dopamine as your brain's reward fuel. It's released when you anticipate or achieve something satisfying, whether it's eating a cookie or completing a big project. The problem is that fast rewards, like scrolling social media, use up your dopamine supply quickly, leaving less for long-term motivation. If you're constantly chasing quick dopamine hits, your slow motivation system doesn't get the fuel it needs. That's why tasks that require effort, like studying or exercising, feel even harder to start. So how do we shift the balance? How do we stop feeding the fast system and start fueling the slow one? Here are 3 steps to help you get started. 1. Limit distractions. Reduce the things that pull your attention, like social media and unnecessary notifications. 2. Start small. Set a simple goal for yourself, just one task you can complete today. 3. Celebrate small wins. Every time you finish a task, no matter how small, take a moment to feel good about it. These small changes might not feel like much at first, but over time, they retrain your brain to focus on long-term goals. Did you know you can increase your dopamine levels naturally? By making a few lifestyle changes, you can help your brain stay motivated and focused. Here are 3 proven ways. 1. Get consistent sleep. Create a regular sleep schedule to recharge your brain and body. 2. Exercise daily. Physical activity boosts dopamine and makes you feel more energized. 3. Reduce chronic stress. Avoid sources of stress like negative news or toxic relationships and focus on what truly matters to you. One of the biggest obstacles to success is procrastination. It's not about being lazy. It's about feeling overwhelmed by the size of the task in front of you. Here's how to tackle it. 1. Break the task into smaller steps. 2. Start with something simple like writing 1 paragraph or taking 1 action. 3. Focus on progress, not perfection. Procrastination thrives on fear and uncertainty. By breaking tasks into smaller, achievable pieces, you make them feel more manageable, which helps you take the first step. Here's a secret most people don't know. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Waiting for the perfect moment or the right feeling will keep you stuck. Instead, take action, even if it's small, and let motivation follow. Remember, every expert started as a beginner. The key is to start. Take 1 small step today, and before you know it, you'll have built momentum toward your goals. In 5 years, you'll be 5 years older, no matter what. The question is, will you be closer to your dreams? Or will you still be waiting for the perfect time to start? The choice is yours. Take control of your dopamine, your motivation, and your habits. You have everything you need to succeed. Just start today.